Assalamualaikum. So today, me and my friends will talk about the group project assignment in power distribution. So in this assignment, we need to answer the topic, which is we will talk about it after this. And before that, we need to introduce myself, my name first, and then next slide, Ahmadaus.
Okay.
So first of all, my name is FAKHRUL. Ahmad Fakhrul Arif. Number matrix is B082110055. And those?
Okay, my name is Muhammad Firdaus and my matric number is B0821103663.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Zarifan, B08 210 438.
Okay. After that, we can go to the question, the topic, which is the topic is a registered electrical wireman install an electrical wiring for incoming single phase for a restaurant. Electrical hardware such as pendant floor lighting and ceiling fan is connected to earthing, but metal clad for final circuit only not connected to earth. Okay. And then he also connect the earthing, use water pipe which is connected to public water supply only. Does the wireman work follow an electrical regulation? Please elaborate related electrical regulation. So that is the topic and that is the question. So in this discussion, we will elaborate the related electrical regulation and answer the question. Okay, so first of all, we need to know what is the electrical regulation. So first of all, electrical regulation in Malaysia refers to the set of rules and guidelines that govern the installation, operation and maintenance of electrical system and equipment in the country. And then these regulations are put in place to ensure safety and reliability of electrical infrastructure and to minimize the risk of electrical accidents. And then the regulations are enforced by the Energy Commission of Malaysia, which is responsible for regulating the electricity supply industry in the country. So the short word is the rule guidelines that give from the government for us to follow. That's the short terms. Next, okay, so we need to answer the question first. Does the wireman work follow an electrical regulation? Please elaborate later regulation. So the answer is the earthing of the metal clad for final circuit should be properly connected to the earth system. It's not like you need to connect it to the water pipe, but you need to connect it to the earth system. The connection of a thing to a water pipe is not recommended as it can lead to unsafe conditions. That's what I said before. The wireman should have followed the guidelines set by Malaysian Code of Practice for earthing, which is requires that earthing be connected to both main earthing terminal and independent earthing roads. So that is the answer. Okay, so this is the example of Malaysian standard electrical installation of building code of practice. Just what I said before. As I said the slide before, this is the book. This is the example. So next. Okay, from the question or the topics, we can relate to the code of practice 05, which is earthing of equipment. As it said, all metal enclosures of electrical equipment should be earthed. Okay, that's mean connected to a protective conductor. And then we can relate also in the COP07, which is requirement of earthing system. As I said juga, the primary requirement of the earthing system is to ensure effective operation of the circuit protective device. For effective operation of the circuit protective device, the resistance of earthing system should be as low as possible. In installation where RCDs are used as the circuit protective device, a resistance of less than 10 ohm will generally ensure effective operation of RCDs. However, a ding resistance of less than 1 ohm is the target. So the lesser the ding resistance, this is the best. And then we also can relate to COP71, which is restriction on the use of water or gas pipe for ding. So from the question, it says, from the question, it also said, it also connect the earthing use water pipe, which connected to public water supply only. So in this COP71, it said water pipes or gas pipes should not be used as the sole means of earthing, but protective equipotential bonding to this pipe is permitted. So that's answer the question by following the COP71. And we can go to the next slide, which is HAZRIQ can elaborate it.
Okay, for the next question is it true that using water pipe connected to the public water supply for earthing purpose is appropriate? No, because the use of water pipe that are connected to the public water supply for earthing purpose is not recommended in Malaysia due to electrical regulation. On the previous slide, FAKHRUL say what is the regulation about. Then this is because water pipe that are connected the public water supply may not provide a reliable or consistent connection to the earth. Moreover, this type of connection may also pose a risk to the public water supply, which could be contaminated by stray electrical currents. Hence, it is important to follow the electrical regulation in Malaysia and use proper earthing materials that comply with the standard to ensure the safety of electrical system and the public. Okay, for the next question is why earthing system is important in Malaysia? Okay, the earthing system is important in Malaysia because it is a safety measure that help to protect people and property from electrical fault. The earthing system works by providing a pad of flow resistance for the electrical current to flow to the ground in the event of a fault. This helps to prevent electrical shock, fires and other hazards that can result from electrical fault. In Malaysia, the earthing system is particularly important due to the high humidity and lightning activity in the region. Proper earthing can help to dissipate static electricity and lightning strike, protecting people and property from damage. Additionally, Malaysia has strict regulation and standard for electrical safety. So ensure proper earthing is a legal requirement for all electrical installation. Next, I pass the next presenter, which is Firdaus.
Okay. What is a good connection for earthing in Malaysia? In Malaysia, a good connection for earthing will be a copper rod or plate driven deep into moist soil. This will provide a low impedance, around below than 10 ohm, but for any electrical current that may need to flow to ground, reducing the risk of electrical shock and protecting equipment from damage. It is important to follow local electrical codes and standards when installing an earthing system is to ensure it is safe and effective. Okay, by referring to COP18 Common Earthing System, there shall be one earthing system for the installation to which shall be connected the following example. If not, there will be not a good connection for earthing system. Okay, first, earth electrode, transformer tanks, armoring of cables, earth wire of the high voltage system, neutral of the low voltage system, high voltage and low voltage switchboard panels, other metal part, an example equipment control panel, structural steel work and steel bar in reinforced concrete foundations. Okay, this is a simple circuit diagram for our case. Okay, for the conclusion, in summary, it is important to ensure that proper electrical regulation are followed during any electrical installation work to ensure the safety of the buildings and those who use it. It also shall be effectively maintained and checked annually. by COP 72. It is all from us. Thank you.
All right. Thank you.